Tiled allows an artist to add multiple layers per map tile, meaning that we can potentially do 10 draws per on-screen tile. Sadly, our bounding view rectangle won't help us fix this in performance terms, so we have to employ a new technique. Now, as you've played grits, you'll notice that our environment is mostly static, which means that we could, hypothetically, at export time from the map editor, actually composite our entire map into a single image. At runtime, this means instead of doing 200 to 2000 draw calls, we could only do 1. So this is not necessarily ideal, having a single large image representing the background of our map, because of the fact that that's actually a pretty big image, and it would take time to download that off the internet. Now, we can't deny the fact that this would help on the client side for rendering, so it would be nice to find a way to mix both of these techniques together so that we can improve rendering and reduce download time. Thankfully, Canvas provides a technique called off-screen canvas rendering that allows a single canvas to be used as an image element for future draws. So let's say we create an off-screen canvas, and in this canvas we draw lots of little happy figures, or happy trees. Later, when we'd like to actually draw this to our main canvas, we simply draw each of the elements using the Draw Image API, passing into it the canvas that we composited before. So if it took 300 draw calls to composite this canvas, when we draw it to our real image, it will only actually take 1 for each time we render it. So instead of doing 1200 draw calls, we only have to do 4, which I think we can all agree is a good thing. Now, in order to support off-screen canvas, we need to keep track of a separate canvas for each tile that we're creating in our map. We've separated this functionality out into a canvas tile class. Now, the canvas tile class itself has some boundaries that we should talk about. First is its X and Y value in world space, and its width and its height. Next, we actually have a handle to the canvas object itself, or more specifically, a handle to the canvas DOM object, as well as a handle to the context for the canvas. The create element for this process should be given a width and a height. Besides setting up some initial values, the create function should actually go through and create a brand new canvas element in the DOM and set its width and height accordingly to the passed in values. From there, we cache that handle and actually grab a handle to the 2D graphics context for the canvas we just created.